This is dedicated to Andries Falls, ESA Pro Series angler and ESA member.
Welcome to the Pro Series final for 2008. And I think before I carry on, I think I'm going to have to hand you over to Frankie. Frankie's got a few words, and we'll carry on after that.
I'm sure all of you have heard about the tragic accident that some of the guys from Cape Town had en route here. We've lost a good friend, Dries, and Francois is in a stable condition in Port Elizabeth Hospital, and Greg seems to be okay. To those guys and their families, we're thinking of them. We love them lots and wish them the best of luck on the whole recovery process. And if I can ask you to just join us for a minute of silence.
Good luck, and hope you guys have a fantastic tournament.
The designated angling area for the day, the point at Mazeppa Bay. The first day was very misty, but the sea conditions weren't bad, and it wasn't long until we had our first angler onto a fish. Michael Pearce hooked into the first fish for the tournament, and it wasn't long until the anglers around him also had some inquiries. As this was a very difficult area to land fish, the anglers had assistance from the local guides and the ESA team. Well done to Michael Pearce on landing this beautiful raggatooth shark. This angler also had a nice fish on the other end, putting up a decent fight. The anglers assess the area and keep on moving until they are in a safe spot to land the fish. Raymond stood by to assist this angler in landing his stunning raggy, earning him 15 points.
Well done. Thank you so much. Big female, eh? But 130, 140. Yeah. Good fish.
I don't think my arms can handle it again.
Get it, guys.
Looks like Michael is really stretching his muscles today. Way into his backing now, Michael still had a long fight ahead of him. Looks like Simon Peacock from KZN North has also met his match. A lot of focus and concentration goes into this, and it is as much a mental fight as it is a physical one. Wilhelm from the Western Province is on right next to Simon. This means the game has begun. Simon chose to land his fish on the shallow reefs. This looks like a good fish, giving 3 grown men a go.
That's a 90-something kilo fish, eh? Well done, Drew.
A beautiful bronze whaler of over 15 points. But we also had a couple of edibles coming out.
26 points.
The score system is worked out on number of species, number of fish, and number of points, and it is up to the angler to strategize on achieving, keeping this in mind.
Nice weather. Feels like in Cape Town.
Simon Peacock was now onto his second fish for the tournament. If the line gets caught on anything at this stage, it is game over, so it's important for spectators to stay clear. That brought us to the end of the first day. While the anglers are very close on each other's heels, and day 2 will determine who walks away with the prizes. Simon Peacock once again opened the day quite soon, hooking into another monster of a fish. From Western Province had a good fish on the other end of his line and thought this with confidence. Well done, Vesey, on a spectacular catch. This angler angler, also from Western Province, stretched a bit of muscle landing this beautiful raggy. Lal from Central Zone hooked into an amazing fish that gave him quite a bit of a tussle, but ended up in his arms. Looks like this one is a bit stubborn. Now we've got 5 guys onto this fish and still it's not coming. Imagine what the angler must feel like. It was almost lines up, and then Simon hooked into another one. Once again, must say that the angler could not have done this without his guides. Then it was time to find out who the new ESA LBSA Pro Angler will be.
A couple of thank yous to the sponsors, Daiwa Kingfisher, they make it possible. Mazeppa Bay Hotel for everything they've done. It's really, really been fantastic. They've looked after us well. The Bulls in Mpami, the Transkei, they've sponsored one of the prizes. Tugela Mouth Resort, Tugela. EMT for their assistance, medical assistance, throughout the year as well as at this tournament. Build It in Belito for some of the gift pack. And once again, to all you guys, I think it wouldn't have been possible without you. Thanks for sticking through the whole year, getting through to the finals, and coming through to this event.
10th position went to Chad Engelbrecht, 9th position went to Michael Pierce, in 8th position we had Sunil Piarlal, 7th position went to Ronald Mathuray, 6th position to Johan van der Westhuizen, 5th position went to Derek Snyman, and in 4th place we had Johan Brink.
The longest fish of the tournament was a 2-meter raggy, caught by Derek. It was a long fight off the point. The Transkei for 2 for weekend.
Ah, cool.
Brilliant stuff.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm going to give it away now. Kept an eye on her. She fished quite hard. Every time I went past there, she had a line in the water, putting bait on, running around. Jenny Garrett. LBSA Pro Series final, 3rd place winner, Vanna Livinger.
Well done, my friend.
Simon Peacock and Mickey Thurgood, would you come to the front here, please? The other one was sliding huge baits, catch huge fish. It was quite a hectic battle between the two here at the top. One of them was concentrating on the edibles, getting a couple of lessers and things like that in between. The other one was sliding huge baits, catch huge fish, and succeeded. Simon got 5 bronzies. Mickey, you got 6 fish. It's quite a nice mixture of edibles, different species. But unfortunately, Simon took it.
In third position, we had Werner Limminger. Second position went to Mickey Thurgood. And first place, our new ESA LBSA Pro Angler, Simon Peacock.
It's a great tournament. Not easy to fish at Mazeppa Bay, but great success.
This is for my good friend, great friend, Dries, and for Francois. I don't know what to do yesterday morning. I phoned Francois after the first session. He's lying in hospital. Told him what's happening. He told me exactly what to do. I did exactly what he told me, and this is the result.
G was basically just to stick to fishing for the big fish, and yeah, it paid off. Got a couple of fish out, didn't lose too much, and yeah, had a very good trip. Nice place, Mazeppa Bay. Definitely come back.
I hope everybody had a good time. I'm pretty sure you did, and thanks again to everyone, the sponsors.